I want to talk about Dr. Elsey's Clean Tracks cat litter. This is a new purchase for me. The reason for this purchase is the current cat litter that we're using, we're noticing over the house a lot. Yeah, our cat is tracking it all over. Gigi Mouse here, she's a great cat, but we don't want cat litter everywhere, literally everywhere. It's not good. So after doing a lot of research online, this was the brand we decided to go with. And it's easy to use. You see right there, you just pop open the top and you can get a look at the granules right there. They're pretty good size, not too big, not too small. And what I'm doing here is I'm adding the new kitty litter to the old stuff we used to use. I've heard this helps the cat acclimate a little bit to the new stuff. Sometimes it's a little bit of a change for them and they don't react well to it, but we're really excited. I think Gigi Mouse is going to do very well with this.